Hi, welcome back. I'm Mandy of Cut It Up Quilts. We're going to start segment 2 of our Pincushion project, which, if you remember, is from this group number 5, Teeny Tiny Pattern from Laura Heine. We're working on the Pincushion. So in the last segment, we fused all of our fabric onto our Steam Seam 2, and now you should have several of these sheets with your fused fabric on it. Today, we're going to work on cutting this fabric out and squaring it up and setting it aside, getting it ready for use. I've switched views on you so you can see what I'm doing. This is just one of my pieces of Steam Seam 2 with my fabric that's been fused on it, and I'm just going to simply cut out these pieces. And I don't need to worry at this point what my Steam Seam 2 or fabric is doing. I just want to go in between all the pieces and cut everything out, and then we will move on to the next step. So once you have everything cut out, we're going to work on squaring up pieces. We'll separate it into background pieces and 2 pieces that we're going to use to build our pincushion, and also into a stack of cuttables. All right, welcome back. I have cut out all my Steam Seam 2 fabric pieces. I have 1 stack of cuttables. I'm going to set those aside. This stack is my tomato pieces to build the tomato pin cushion and the little strawberry pin cushion. And then I have my background pieces. We're going to take this stack and start working with it. So I'm going to grab my ruler and rotary cutter. These pieces you want to have squared up. These are going to build your background, and you don't want uneven edges or unsquared edges. So I just trim away any excess Steam Seam 2, and I might even take a little bit of the fabric with me just to create a nice square even edge. And I want these to be squared up, so I'm going to line it up and make sure each of the sides are square with each other. I'm going to do that for all 4 sides of all of the background pieces. And then we'll move on to building our tomato once we finish this first piece, or trimming our tomato pieces rather. So I'm going to leave you here, and our next segment is going to be a very short, brief little segment where we start cutting out our cuttables and getting them ready for our final project. This segment after that, we're going to start building our tomato pin cushion and then move on to our background, and we'll be done. Thank you so much.